Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, call me Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochitubelu na Oraifite, or you call me Akajugo. I'm an ancient high priest. I'm onye isi nchụaja na Ugochitubelu Ọdịnala Temple. Onye na-agba afọ gbaa afa mmiri emi deep consultation and other spiritual works. I'm also a priest in Ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission. Bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or Ọdịnala evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Today, on the program Hour of Truth, today's topic is value of humanity. And I'm here to tell you that there is a purpose why Chukwu Okike created human beings. And note that human beings was the last in creation. Before man was created, the entire universe has been in existence. Yes, all that was created by Chukwu Okike was good. And God rested after creating the entire universe. But since Chukwu Okike created human spirits and they permitted them to be in charge of this gross material world, Chukwu Okike have never rested. Because human beings, because of freedom given to human spirits, we constantly abusing it, making this world a terrible place for mankind. This gross materials is the way it is today because human spirit has constantly deviated from the original plan of Chukwu Okike. That is the problem. That is why I keep saying that man is the architect of his problems. Whatever that is happening among the humanity is man-made. All this is what we are going to look into today. But before we dive into today's lecture proper, don't forget that we are still in the third month of March 2026. Yes, our group rituals for the month is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are all over the globe. Distance is never a barrier in what we do in the temple. This morning, I have gone to the temple to pray, make declarations, rituals, and sacrifices on behalf of all those people that join us. The friends of the temple, the children of the temple, the members of the Restoration Evangelical Mission and Consecrated Group. We keep doing this way till the last day of the month. We visit the waters to offer sacrifices to entities of powers. Then come back to the temple to offer sacrifices to entities of powers. Then eventually we Mesaraka. One if you are interested in joining us in our group rituals or have any question in today's lecture, look on your screen. You will see my numbers. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 7837 672 or 0813 8243 871. Now let's proceed. All that was created by Chukwu Okike was good. All those things that is happening in this world that made this world a terrible place for mankind, humanity, is actually caused by man. Whatever that is happening in these gross materials is man-made. And that is why the entire humanity is suffering. Because human spirits have deviated from the original plan of Chukwu Okike. Chukwu Okike is love. And he expected us, his creatures, to always show love to one another. But instead of showing love to one another, we keep on seeing one another as competitors. We have turned this world a war zone. Look at what is happening in the current war going on between the Iran, America, and Israel. They are destroying both material things and human beings. Where is love? Many nations spend huge amount of money developing weapon of mass destruction. I can tell you without missing words that these wars we are hearing, the First World War has passed, the Second World War has passed, and the Third World War is looming. I can tell you that this was never God's plan from the time immemorial. It's self-made. I can tell you that hardship that is all over the world now is man-made. We have turned the world like a war zone and a competitive world where survival of the fittest, the rich and the strong are no longer paying attention to the downtrodden, the poor and the less privileged. The rich want to remain perpetually rich. People that are the ruling class, the political class, they think only for themselves and their families. Then where is love? Human spirits, human beings have clearly departed from the original plan of Chukwu. This world would have been a place of love where there is harmony, is order of the day, so that we'll be able to experience and continually enjoying this gross material world for our own betterment and development. But what is ruling the world today is survival of the fittest, wickedness, dominance, oppression. That is the problem. Some people have these things, goodies of life in abundance. But instead of making it go round to every man and woman on earth, they are keeping those goodies of life for their children unborn. People enjoy suppressing others for their own benefit and gains. Where is love? Some people have these things in abundance, but there is hunger in the land. Nobody is paying attention. Even the ruling class are not interested. Chukwu cannot force us to arrange our world the way it should be. Humanity brought these things upon themselves because of self-centered greediness. So we should blame ourselves. I can tell you without missing words that today's challenges of man, 80% of it was brought to ourselves, humanity. Some sickness, hunger in the land is man-made. We brought it upon ourselves. Chukwu does not create human beings to suffer. These gross materials should have been a place, a garden of joy and maturity. We were sent to this gross material to experience and mature. That is the primary purpose why man was sent to this gross material world. Because in the original place of human spirit, where human spirit started, in the spiritual realm. In the spiritual realm, because the proximity of the spiritual realm is closer a little to the throne of grace, the throne of divinity. The light, the radiation there made it impossible for human spirit to be conscious of their existence. So that's why if I ask you where are you in the last thousands of years, you don't know. You never even know that you once existed in the spiritual realm as a spirit jam, as a spark of Chukwu. Now, it makes it impossible for man to discover its existence. Before then, the God of Chukwu have already created the entire universe, including the God's materials, and the mystics are here already before us. To interest you to know that the animals, the animistics are already on earth thousands of years before man came. But after creation, Chukwu now discover that human spirit in the spiritual realm is unconscious. He now decided to send human spirit down to cooler region, earth, gross material, so that we discover our existence. So we human beings only discover our existence in this gross material world. And our primary purpose why we are sent in here is to learn from experiencing and become better human spirit and mature. By maturing, we'll be able to withstand the vibration of the spiritual realm. We'll be able to mature and be able to withstand the vibration of from the throne of grace. Now, these gross materials where we were sent to experience love, to experience kindness, to experience brotherly love towards each other. We were here fighting, envying each other. We feel ourselves with jealousy. That is the primary thing men committed, humanity committed. And as day goes on, we keep on increasing that wickedness. Remember the story in Genesis, how Cain killed his brother Abel out of mere jealousy. And that has been the problem of man till date. Tell me why many nations are at war with each other. If it's not out of jealousy and dominance. Let's most show that we can dominate. The same thing down to families. Go to families, a lot of families are in shambles. If you go to some families, they are fighting each other. Sister is fighting sister, brother is fighting brother in the same family. Some families you will see children fighting parents, and thereby bringing more catastrophe to themselves. Because some of these problems we are facing today is man-made. We human spirit decided not to have peace in this gross material. That's why the whole humanity is suffering. I have told you before that 80% of suffering today is man-made. If that man-made is not created by government against the good wishes of their citizens, is man-made policies against nation to nation. The same thing down to families. This infighting, fighting for supremacy, fighting for dominance is the problem. And when children decided to fight their own parents because they want dominance, once you disrespect your parents, what follows is the consequence. Because Chukwuka gave human being the freedom of choice to make right choices. And at the same time, that Chukwuka that gave human spirit, the mankind, the freedom of choices, still made it known to us that once you make the negative choices, there is consequence. So some families today is at war because of negative choices. And once you are make negative choices, the consequences follows. Brother cannot even show genuine love to brother. Sister cannot show genuine love to sister. And the wickedness is the order of the day. And once wickedness set in, the laws of retributive justice set in. Because there is law. Chukwuka created this gross material world and placed law. And it's only love, genuine love, sincerity, brotherly love that will make this humanity to live in peace. But when we deviate from that, the love is expected of us to show to each other, sin sets in. Because Chukwuka created the world and gave the manual, the laws. You must love your neighbor as you love yourself. And when you deviate from loving your neighbor genuinely, the consequence sets in. So you can see that man is the architect of his own problem. We brought it we brought nemesis, we brought karma upon ourselves. That Chukwuoke gave us this world for free. Then we abuse that freedom given to mankind. And once we abuse the freedom given to us, the consequence follows. And that consequence is natural laws, law of attraction. It doesn't care. If that laws ensure that once you sow negativity, it take it back to you, a multiple fold. So Chukwuoke created this word and put this word in autopilot. I just want to use a language that will make you to understand it. The supernatural forces cares nothing. You already set the world in motion. Human spirit was given freedom, total freedom of choices. However, he put the laws. In as much as Chukwuoke gave you the total freedom, these are the boundaries you must never cross. That boundaries and laws is known as Ten Commandments. So whenever human spirit decided to go against that boundaries, consequence follows. In families today, there is no sincere love. Even amongst, I have seen some sisters, the same mother, mama, the same papa, they are competing among themselves. Some of them are jealous of this one because this person is so talented, is so gifted. They are jealous. The same thing in some families, you will see some brothers fighting each other because of natural gift. And the same thing is what is happening out there. Total mankind is in chaos. Everywhere is in chaos. There is no peace anywhere. Note that human spirits, we human beings, humanity brought it upon themselves. So they should never blame Chukwuoke for the consequences they intentionally brought upon themselves. Because human spirit was the one. Don't do this. Do this. So this world was created under law. So if you want to be, or if you want to enjoy this gross material world, you must be ready to keep the laws of creation. And that is the only thing that will bring total peace to humanity. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture, I want us to do deep consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp 080-0805-78-37672 or 0813-8243-871. Other number is on their screen. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike ka Chineke na-apụghị. Ezigbo ụzọ m ga-esi lụgbuo ya n'ihi na ọ mazụrụ ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke meworo m ya. Ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwuoke be with you all. May you be protected. May you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie.